This is Ella's first day eating cereal. She is 13 weeks old and 1 day, and she's very excited to try her new cereal. She sits and stares at us while we eat our dinner and has been doing that for about a month. Won't let you put her down to eat, so we thought we'd give it a go here and see how she likes her own food. So far, so good. A little bit of rice cereal for the girl. Do you like it? Do you like it? You're so excited. She's a pretty happy baby. She's a good baby, too. Huh? Who's a good girl? Who's a good girl? You want some more? I think she just wants some more. She doesn't want to talk. She just wants some more food.